Hi, this is Dolores from D's Times, take number 569. I keep messing these up. But I am on the MSC Divina, and it is February 18th, 2022. It's a beautiful sea day. Actually, it's not a sea day. We're pulling into Colon, Panama. It is 8:30 in the morning, and we're pulling in at 10 o'clock. So we're going real slow, kind of coming into port, I think. So I'm going to flip you around and give you a little walking tour of the 15th deck. So here you go. Enjoy. All right. Here we are. You can see how nice, calm, it's a beautiful, warm day. And we'll just take a total walk around the deck. So, like I said, we were on deck 15. I have to say something about MSC ships. They are kept the cleanest and well maintained of the cruise lines we've been on. They're just well maintained. So there's a lot of hot tubs on this ship. I'm not quite sure how many. I'm gonna have to research that, because just right here there's 4 that I see. 2 on deck 15, 2 on deck 14. There's your pool area down there, your big screen. You can see there's a lot of chairs out. They have more to put out, I guess. On that little stage there, a lot of times at night times they'll have parties up here, and they do some dance lessons, some things like that, some games. Yeah, we'll just keep on walking. So on other ships we've been on, they have lanes, for walkers or for runners. This ship does not have that. So you just kind of like making your way around, right? There you go. The showers are super nice. Really clean, really nice. Shower before you get in your hot tubs over here. Right. This area over here goes into an inside game area, like ping pong tables, stuff like that. But we're in the center, right? Foosball tables. So this is really just the inner part of the ship. It doesn't go all the way to the end. Well, I guess this side it does. So you can see how nice it is. MSC, we did take this cruise out of Miami, and still I would say 75-80% of the passengers are European. A lot of foreign speaking passengers. Nice, but kind of not so nice. You're kind of trying to do hand signals a lot. I don't know any other language, tiny bit of Spanish, but that's not helping on this cruise. But it is kind of nice. So then you're going to come down here, and on the left, this is your children's area in there. I don't know if you can see inside, but that's your children's area. Looks really nice. Lots of little play toys. Must be the younger kids go there. And they got a little play area here, which looks nice. Of course, they're always doing some cleaning. The glasses are kept very, very clean. And like every ship, you have the little windbreakers. And upstairs, you have a sports arena and a solarium. So we're going to keep going around, and you come up here to another little pool. I think it's called the garden pool. I think this is what they consider their infinity pool. But up above us, up on the next deck, you can see there's a sports arena. So this is a nice area on the back, and it is for fully vaccinated. And when you say fully vaccinated, of course you have to be fully vaccinated to get on the ship, but children do not. So you cannot bring children down here. So it is a nice area to sit. And at 8 o'clock in the morning or 8:30, the bar is open here. But it's a really nice area, nice pool. Again, some nice showers over there. I guess the pool is 79 degrees Fahrenheit all the time. But look how nice. Very nice pool. It does get a little crowded up here. There's a little restaurant in here, which is nice. So, back around. I smell some good food. I don't know where it's coming from, but because I don't think that restaurant's open yet. There we go. And you'll notice that all the signs are in 6 languages. Some signs are actually in 7 languages.
Hello, madam.
Hello, how are you? Woo-hoo! Yay, dancing.
Yeah.
Good.
Good morning, by the way.
Yes. Good morning.
How's your day yesterday?
Very good.
You went outside?
We just went to that little eco park
Oh,
where the animals
with the
are.
animals,
Yeah, it
yeah.
was nice. That's all we
Very
did.
beautiful, right?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Alright.
You're doing a good job there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, every day is a holiday.
Yeah, not for you guys. So it does say adults only at that garden pool. So, look at all the boats as we come into dock in Panama. And then here is your slide. Now they call it a tobaga water slide. It's not open yet, but this is the bottom of the slide. It goes from deck 16 to deck 15. I never ride slides. It's not me. I don't think I've ever done a water slide. I'm the biggest chicken around, so I wish I could take you through it because I'd like to see going through it. If I could con Steve into it, I might. He likes them. He can take the camera down. I'd like to see it. See, then that's my thrill. There we go. So I think we've come all the way around. We're back by the LPG ship, which I think is just sitting there, maybe waiting to go into dock because we're not going very fast. And that's it. We are back around and back to you. So that's your tour of deck 15 on the MSC Maravilla. Not Maravilla. Divina. Maravilla is a much different ship, but this is the MSC Divina. So have a great day. Bye.